Here I have Motorola Edge 20, and today I'm going to show you how to connect XIAOMI Redmi AirDots 2 to this device. So firstly, you have to put out headphones from the case, and when it's the light flashes, it means that they're in the pairing mode. So then you have to enable Bluetooth on your device, go to its section, tap pair new device, and after the AirDots appear, just tap on them, and after that they will be connected. So if you want to disconnect them, just tap on the gear icon and then tap forget, or you can just disconnect, or you can forget this device forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.